Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I got Redmi Note 10, and the request came that show how to flash the Pixel Experience latest version ROM on Redmi Note 10. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and also turn on the YouTube notification, and do not forget to like the video and also keep sharing it with others. Thank you so much. You could find lagging in stock ROM, but there is no lag with these Pixels type of ROMs because they are a lightest ROM and running much faster than the stock ROM. First of all, you need to unlock the bootloader of the Redmi Note 10 to get flash the Pixel Experience ROM. And this Pixel Experience ROM is the Android version 12.1. Your set must be on latest version. No, doesn't matter if you are not having the MIUI 13 ROM, but you must have the latest or the last release of MIUI 12.5 in case if your Redmi Note 10 is still on 12.5. And this method will format everything, so better to save all the data. Must save all the data. Check the battery should be charged minimum like 50 to 60%, and then go to settings. Do not forget to turn off the lock screen password if you have turned it on. It must be off. If you can see that screen lock off, then go back and go to Mi account. In case if you are using Mi account, sync your Mi account once and then remove it. And also sync your Google account once, then remove it to avoid any issue later. Now you have done all the things, but informing you once again that set bootloader must be unlocked. If you don't know how to unlock the bootloader, I will leave the link in my video description. Watch that tutorial video how to unlock the bootloader of the Redmi Note 10 or any Xiaomi mobile phone. Now if you have done all these things, saving data, and then you can simply power off the mobile phone. Link is provided in my video description. Click the link and the official Pixel Experience website will get open on your computer screen. Come down here, and if you can see that there is also 12 plus edition and stable available, but there is no file right now. If you can click on it and you will see no files uploaded. Please check back soon. Maybe in future they will upload the plus edition, but right now we are having only the 12 edition. So click here and first download the recovery image file by clicking on this download recovery image, and then click on download now. Make a new folder on your computer and save that file. Okay, we are done downloading the recovery file, and now it is time to download the ROM file. For ROM file, click on the download build. Same way, click once again on download now, and the ROM file will start downloading. So this is my downloaded folder where I have already downloaded all these three files: Pixel Experience Recovery, the ROM file 12.1, and the platform tools. Links are provided in my video description. Just make a new folder and download all three files. So first of all, extract the platform tools here and then copy both files, the recovery file and the Pixel Experience ROM file from here, and paste it into the extracted platform tools folder. To make the things easy, come down here, click on the Pixel Experience recovery file first and press F2 and rename it. Change it to only recovery, RECOVERY. Press enter key. It is done. And same way, change the ROM file name also. Click on it, press F2, then just type ROM. So it will make the things more easy for flashing. Coming back towards my mobile phone must be power off, and we need to boot the set into Fastboot mode. For that, hold the cable in your right hand and hold the mobile phone in your left hand. Press and hold the volume down key, connect the cable. Check the other side of this cable must be connected with computer. After connecting the cable, in few seconds the set will boot into Fastboot mode. Yes, here we go. If you can see that fast boot in orange color. Now set is booted into Fastboot mode and already connected with computer. Now coming back towards my computer screen, come here and right click CMD, then left click on run as administrator. The command window will get open in black color. Now type the command to check the device is properly connected. That command is fastboot devices. Press enter. Yes, I got the serial number and set is booted into fastboot mode. Now it is time to flash the recovery file. Type the command fastboot flash boot space recovery .img. Press enter key. Okay, it is done. If you can see, okay, which means recovery is flashed perfectly. Now we have to reboot the set. For that, type command fastboot reboot and press enter key. Immediately press and hold the volume up key for few seconds to let the set boot into the Pixel Experience recovery. We got the Pixel Experience recovery on mobile phone. Now the first thing that we have to do is to do the factory reset. Tap on the factory reset and then tap format data factory reset. Then again tap format data. It will start and yes, it is done. Now go back to the main screen and then tap apply update and tap once again on apply from ADB. The set is booted into side load mode. Come back to the computer screen and on command window type the command ADB devices to check the set is properly connected. Yes, this inside load mode, my set is connected and this is the numbers that's shown, which means that set is properly connected with computer. Now for Rom Flashing, type command ADB space side load space rom.zip. Always check the spelling. Now after when you type the command, just press enter key and you will see the transferring of ROM file will start, and at the same time the ROM is also flashing on the mobile phone. Now you have to wait. This flashing procedure will take a little long time. And ADB site load method will always get end on 47% and it is about to be. Yes, the flashing got completed. We are done from the computer. I will close the command window and coming back towards my mobile phone, disconnect the cable from mobile phone first and then tap the back arrow key to go to the main screen and then tap reboot system now. Pixel Experience, the 12.1 ROM is flashed perfectly and it will start booting. Finally, the welcome screen on the Redmi Note 10 of Pixel Experience. I will complete the setup screen. Finally, we got the Pixel Experience ROM on Redmi Note 10. Now, after when you have completed the setup screen, just wait for 30 to 40 seconds. Let the set optimize the ROM. So we are getting the Google Dialer on this ROM and Google Messaging application. And there must be a call recording like with a Google Dialer. And also we have Google Chrome and with the Google application is pre-installed in this ROM. So I will go to settings, then we'll go to, first of all, I will turn off this dark theme. And then I will go to about phone of Redmi Note 10 to show all rest things. If you can see that Android version 12 and must see the numbers below baseband. This is the build number. So we got the Pixel Experience ROM, a very good ROM, very light, much faster than stock ROM. If you are a flashaholic, I must say check the ROM. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like the video. We'll see you in my next video. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.